Hey! I'm a fatty, so I'm eating pudding. You got a text message
from Facebook. No, it's from my... Ah, finally!
I'm gonna eat a big... I'm talking to random people.
I'm making a cracker stacker.
I want a piece of ham.
Ugh. Bitch taking all my ham.
Ham.
Pudding! You like pudding?
Ham and pudding don't go together.
Okay, please. So at like 3 in the morning last night, me and Nikki decided that we're gonna call Little Debbie Cakes and make the cake. Tell him, Nikki. That just looks wrong.
Sorry, there was like a piece of ham in the pudding.
You Yankees, I swear.
Okay, so we're gonna take red velvet cakes, those little ones like this big, and then you're gonna put cream cheese frosting in the middle, and then we're gonna take them, put another piece of red velvet cake, and then we're gonna roll it into coconut, and it's gonna be cage cookies.
Yum.
That would be good. This is a tiny spoon. I finished the pudding.
No.
So goodbye.